Nobody is talking about this. The Pi network mainnet migration deadline is creeping up, and if you miss it, your mined coins could be locked away forever. You've been tapping that lightning button every day for years, right? That's millions of pioneers. But here's the real deal. The grace period is ending. Pi is moving from an enclosed mainnet to the open mainnet, and that changes everything. Once the open mainnet hits, the value of Pi gets tested by the real world. Exchanges can list it. The price will move. And if you haven't completed your KYC, that mining is all for nothing. Your balance stays frozen on the old chain. The deadline is looming, and the team hasn't given a hard date. That's the scary part. No one knows for sure when the hammer drops. But the longer you wait, the more likely you're left holding a bag of worthless app points. So open the Pi app, finish your KYC checklist today. Don't let years of tapping go down the drain. And if you want the latest on the mainnet launch, click the video on screen now.